Good afternoon. It is very exciting and I'm looking forward to teach the training with Sandy. She's coming from the Netherlands as well. She's a brilliant yoga teacher in yin yoga and an expert in restorative alignment. So we do understand each other very well. In restorative alignment, it is important to stay in a posture for a longer time. This helps to release the unnecessary contractions in different bodies, in the mental body, in the physical body, in the emotional body. And in yin yoga, we also stay for a longer time in the poses. This to release the superficial fascia, the deeper fascia, to stretch some meridians and to establish more mobility and more space around the joints. An important part in the training is the work with the back nidra and the confrontation with pressure and gravity to bring more and more mobility in the spine, which is actually the base of all practices. So all of you are very welcome, and we're gonna work in the beautiful countryside of Puebla. So I hope to see you in May.